Today we had our biannual, or no, not biannual, every other year. We do a DUI Assembly that does a reenactment of a DUI crash, and then has students go and learn about different things. The juniors and seniors go and they hear from one of our own faculty whose son died in a drunk driving accident, and it's the assembly. Like I hate it and I love it. I think it's one of the most powerful assemblies that I've seen, and it really impacts students, at least those that take it seriously and really put themselves in the shoes of people affected by it. But it also is, I don't know, emotionally draining to sit there and watch, and as students and that you care about act out an accident where people die and people get seriously injured and futures get ruined, and to really sit in that space, and it's terrible, and this is just fake, right? But there are real, and as an educator I have a lot of colleagues who have lost students, and of course I have a colleague who's lost a child to drunk driving, and so I always take it very seriously and let myself feel everything, the fear, the anger, the frustration, the loss that comes with something like this, and so I hate it and I love it. I think it does a good job of getting the point across to students to care about their choices, and how a small choice can lead to big consequences. And I talk about that when I tell my life story about being a teen parent, but this is I'll take that any day over dying or losing a student or losing a child. So it was an emotional day, but powerful. I'm really grateful for my colleague who's willing to share her story, even though it causes immense pain, to relive that every time and to tell that story. I applaud her courage. I can't imagine what it would take as a parent myself. So I'm very grateful for that, and for the somberness of everything, and being able to really take some time to think about how our choices matter and our actions have consequences, and a lot of it's within our control. So it was a very emotional day, but a good day, and I think it will ultimately does a lot to help prevent situations from happening. So thanks for everybody involved, ASB and leadership, Lizzie and Linda, for putting on. It's very powerful and needed to happen. So thank you. We'll see you tomorrow.